Alright, this is ETN News from War, West Virginia, Mcdowell County. We watched for the waters to rise, and we got an early warning system in place for downstream. Anyone downstream can get prepared for floods when we put out the warning. I'll show you how this device works. Now, you got to overlook all the static going on. I didn't know it was in there. That wasn't my fault, but you can only do the video once. You can't just go back and take the static out. So my apologies about the static. But like I said, War, West Virginia, Mcdowell County. And this is a early flood warning device. Homemade, easy made. We can't rely on the government anymore. You've seen North Carolina, how it got flooded out. You've seen how California got burned out. Where was they then? And then after the fact, you know, that it happened, then they wasn't there for the people. So we can't depend on them when we have a family to look after. Early flood warning device. Like I said, overlook the static, and I'll show you how it goes, how it works, and you can figure out about how much time that it takes to raise to that point to set the device into event mode. Okay, I'll show you that. Overlook the static and enjoy the show. Follow the line up, extension cord to the vehicle. Now let's go out and see what it looks like. And I gotta unplug it now. Okay. All you do is run one hot wire from this, your hot post on your battery. Run it down to your wire, well, mine is greenish red. Got green with the red stripe on it, that's your hot. The black is your ground. Okay, that's all you got to do. And you run your other wire from down there to the other side. And then when you need it, you just plug it up. I'll show you more about it on one of my updates. I'll make an update and show you more about it. Alright, we'll be keeping an eye on this flood. And now it's past the flood zone, you know, the warning. So now we just have to keep an eye on it, and I'll keep you updated. Everybody stay safe out there. Be prepared because we got a lot of rain coming down, and it's going to get bigger. I just don't know how much bigger. If you're prepared, then you don't got to worry about it so much. See you in a little bit.